Good Friday to you traders. This is Matt with Conservative Trades. And wow, I hope your day was as good as mine, if not even better. Hopefully yours was better. Because while I consider this a good day, this really isn't a great day. But you know what? With what I've been going through here lately, it is. It is a good day. And we're going to call it a good day and we're going to be thankful for it. And we'll talk about these trades here. I'll tell you what, guys. It's 12, almost 12:30 in the afternoon. It's tempting to keep going because I'm on such a roll here. But at the same time, I have to say to myself at some point, we've had a good day and you haven't been doing that well lately. And right now, you're up $321.29. It's been like 2 weeks since you've had a $300 day, and you've had a lot of losing days in between, and you need to just stop. So it's one of those things where I'm talking myself through it. I'm talking myself through it, and I'm literally having to convince myself to just be done. Even though we're continuing to get great moves, this is the perfect market environment for me to be trading in. And typically, guys, I would vote for continuing to trade in. If you're in the kind of market that you thrive in, there's no reason to quit. There's no reason to stop. But with where I'm at right now, it's the smart thing to do. Everybody's on their own journey. And for those of you who've been following the channel, you know that I had a great month of May and just packed on a lot of profits in May. But I came out the gate swinging at the start of June, and I was a little overconfident, and I suffered from it and got emotional about it. And for the first couple weeks into June, I was just an emotional trader. And I gave back a lot of those profits in May. And so I personally am just in a place right now where even though, yes, I could keep going, we could keep stacking on the profits, I still have to remind myself that, it's exposure. It's more exposure to the market. And I could end up giving some of this back. And I think what I need more than anything right now, and even what I need more than, a $500 day, because trust me, I really believe that I could keep going. I could ramp this up to a $500 day, maybe even more. But I think what I need more than $500 is I need a good day of confidence. Okay. And going into the weekend, this will just give me confidence. Okay. It's more valuable than money. And for those of you who've been trading long enough, you know what I mean when I say that. You know what I mean by that statement. Because when you have confidence, you'll come in and you'll have multiple big winning days. But when you're lacking in confidence, you're going to be a lot more prone to having multiple losing days. And I just would rather take the confidence. I need the confidence right now. I really do. And I think that's going to set me up for some good green days next week. That's the hope anyway. So I'm going to continue to take my time in this market. I'm going to continue to feel things out. But, the SPY has been making a pretty significant pullback. And you can see here today, we came back and we tapped this trend line. This trend line's been respected a lot since back in this area here. It's been respected a lot. And it's being respected right now. And it's going to be very significant if it breaks through it. If it breaks through it and it breaks low of day today, this could definitely make its way down to the 100-day, maybe even the 50-day moving average. We could get a good drop on the SPY today, or it may just kind of stay in a point of consolidation. Who knows? But I started the day on TVIX, and I'll just go through these trades briefly. I'm not going to make this a super long video, but you can see here I actually went long. I thought the SPY was weak. I thought the SPY was about to roll over, and it just toyed around a little bit. The SPY ended up shooting up to a critical level, and I thought to myself, man, I better just start getting out. And I did. It dropped back a little. I pieced out some of my trades. You can see, I only took 25 shares. And so I bought back 12 right here. And then it dipped down here. I bought back half of those here. And then as it started to come back up, I went ahead and got out the rest. And it was a $116 loss. Not horrible. I didn't handle it as well as I would have liked to. If I was really handling it as well as I would have liked to, it probably really only would have been about a $70 loss. Okay, maybe even a little less than that. But Nonetheless, I did control it, but I hate that I obviously hindsight's 2020, right? But I hate that I didn't stay in it because you can see right here. I mean, it just made a beautiful move all the way up here to 232. So that I had the right idea. It was a good trade. It was the right idea. Just bad timing, and I probably should have let this play out a little bit more. I probably would have had more success with it. So, you know, but I will say this. I'm glad that I kept the loss still relatively small because I was able to come in on Boeing and I tracked with Boeing all day today and capitalized on it. I went short here. I went short here, took some of the profit here. I actually think I took all of the profit here, but then I started averaging in back up all through here and averaged in again here. When it came down, I took profit. And then it came up again, and I was just playing off of this trend line. I drew this trend line. You guys can go back and check out the live stream. It's posted to the channel. But I was playing off the trend line. My only regret is that I didn't take more shares when I was up here, because you can see we started to make a move down, added to my position, got out here, and then got out here. Then it came up, and I saw that it was rejecting off the 9 EMA. I got back in. SPY was still looking weak, and I got out here, added back to my position here, took off profit all down through here. Then I got in up here, took off position, a little of it there, got in again up here, took profit here. You can see I don't even know if I had a losing trade on Boeing. I think every single trade on Boeing was clean. I think I had a 100% win rate on Boeing today, and that's what put me up $437.94 on Boeing, and that's what's got me up $321 on the day, even though I suffered a $116 loss this morning on TVIX. And so again, look, this is very tempting right here. I know the SPY is weak. Man, I tell you what. I'm gonna go short one more time here. Well, you know what? No, I missed it. Okay, I missed it. Forget about it. I'm not going to go short. But anyway, guys, good day overall in the markets, like I said, and I'm just going to go into the weekend with confidence. Look at this. See, we're getting the move down. I knew that was a weak pullback, but, like I said, I'm not going to chase it. Just going to be done. So, yeah, ending the day up $321.29, probably right around 270, 280 after fees and commissions. So, good day, guys, and hope that y'all have a great weekend, and look forward to seeing you guys again on Monday. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and consider joining us in the live stream. We stream live right here on the channel Monday through Friday beginning around 9 a.m. Take care.